Hi, so this is the Mikeric USB-C to dual HDMI adapter. I'm quite keen to see how this performs because I've got two Quad HD widescreen monitors, but I sometimes want to connect my tablet up to and run Samsung's DeX software through that and run it like a PC. At the moment I can only do it through one, so it's been quite interesting to see how well this performs. It's 4K at 60 Hz, it's got HDR. Let's have a look inside. Check this out here. So we've got, for all devices, phone, tablet and PC, you can do mirror mode. So you've got basically three screens with the same image. Anyway, if you use Mac or Windows, it's quite interesting actually saying Mac and Windows, you can use a screen on your device plus two monitors. Monitors show one image and two, and then you've got extend mode on Windows only, which gives you basically three different pictures on three screens, so it's quite versatile. The Macs do tend to have that restriction where you just can't get that extend mode 2 that you can get through Windows, but you know, it's not a huge issue. So we've got instructions here. Fighting for the dream. Okay, fair enough. Features, so yeah, laptop up to two monitors, up to 3840, 2160 at 60 Hz. I imagine if you're going to use two at 4K, that's going to drop down to 30 Hz, I would imagine, but it doesn't actually say that on the details in here. Adapter allows you to display the content of your laptop to two monitors up to 4K 60 Hz. Yeah, I don't know how you measure Hertz rates on monitors. Maybe you get a bit of software on it. I don't have that to be able to directly check that's the case. It says obviously you can use Apple products, Google Chromebooks, Samsung, Dell, Asus, Lenovo, HP, etc. etc. So it's quite a versatile device. It's not overly big, as you see here. It comes with a detachable USB-C to USB-C cable. So size-wise, we are, it's got 45 mark. So we're talking 6 centimeters width and length, and then 5 that way. I'll take 1 centimeter. Plating on those, and then on this side you have a charging. Okay, so we have a charging port, a USB-C port, and you also get a 3.5mm headphone port that may or may not double as a mic port. We'll see. Made of aluminium, so it's compact, quite neat and easy. The cable itself is quite short. In all the connections at each end we've got basically 10 centimetres, so there's 10 centimetres there, plus you've got the bits on the end, and that just plugs in here and then should dock into my tablet with the two outputs. So I'm going to give that a go. I'm going to swing my connect this up on the two monitors and I'll connect it through my tablet. Still feel what it looks like in terms of performance on the actual screens, but it's a dinky little product. Let's just see how it performs. Okay, I'll be back. chopped up. It's a bit of a mess. Thanks so much for your time. Hope you enjoyed watching.